Decision intelligence, the evolution beyond AI. As we stand on the precipice of the future, the evolution from AI to decision intelligence is transforming the landscape of decision making. In this special exploration, we unravel the complexities and unveil the sophisticated frameworks that empower us to make informed, strategic decisions. Beyond algorithms and machine learning, decision intelligence is about elevating raw data to profound insights, transforming information into foresight, and ensuring that every decision becomes a stepping stone toward a smarter and more efficient future. So get ready to witness the evolution, to explore the uncharted territories of decision intelligence. This isn't just a leap, it's a quantum leap into a future where decisions are not just made, they're intelligently crafted. Welcome to the dawn of a new era. Decision intelligence has rocketed from obscurity to a top strategic technology trend for 2022 by Gartner, who predicts it will be practiced by 33% of large organizations by 2023. This technology is making data-driven decision a reality for organizations of all shapes and sizes, unlocking access to advanced AI-powered analytics for every business user, even those without technical expertise. Business and analytics leaders should understand what decision intelligence is, why it matters, and how it can be beneficial. Defining decision intelligence. Decision intelligence is the application of machine learning and automation to augment human decision-making for better, faster, insights-driven business decisions. To accomplish this, decision intelligence equips anyone to ask and answer what, why, and how type questions of unaggregated data to drastically reduce the time and effort necessary to make strategic, tactical, and operational decisions. Why is decision intelligence important? Data-driven enterprises that treat and use their data as an asset when it comes to understanding their customers and employees and making data-informed decisions outperform competitors. Businesses today have massive amounts of data and increasingly complex business decisions to solve with this data, but lack insights to bridge data to decisions. Just 24% of firms identify as data-driven, and a mere 30% of a firm's employees use analytics BI tools. Analytical output, i.e., analysis, insights, data stories, don't scale with data volumes because today's tools, processes, and teams are siloed along the lines of descriptive, diagnostic, and predictive analytics with time-consuming handoffs and insights gaps. The result of this insights gap are inefficiencies, analytics quez, handoffs between teams and tools, etc., missed opportunities, delaying decisions due to lack of analysis, and increased business risk, decision-making without robust analysis, or even worse, biased analysis. Decision intelligence offers a way to bridge this insights gap, helping users make better, faster, insights-driven decisions at cloud scale, with continuous improvement. Core capabilities of decision intelligence. Best-in-class decision intelligence platforms greatly simplify the complexity of decision-making by translating business questions in natural language, applying the right algorithms, statistical, classification, regression, in the most efficient way, in memory or push-down queries to where the data resides, and presenting answers back to users in an understandable and actionable format using natural language generated narratives and embedding. Connect and model data. Data is the bedrock underlying analysis and insights for better decisions. Connectivity to a variety of data sources in a variety of ways, including cloud, on-prem, flat files, third-party, e.g. Nielsen, IQVIA, etc., and business applications, e.g. Salesforce, Google Analytics, etc., via point-and-click pre-built connectors or API, all with intelligent connectivity, zero data movement to leading cloud sources. Augmented data modeling, auto-inferring data models from source systems, and suggesting the creation of business views within the platform, and/or suggest join keys while creating reusable and foundational data models. Data models ensure data consumers are exploring the single source of truth, and data creators are creating analytics outputs from trusted sources. Data prep and pipelining. Modern insights-driven decisioning requires blending data, developing metrics, calculations, and flexibility to add new sources or metrics as analysis evolves. Natural language search, NLQ. Data exploration and ad hoc analysis is critical to decision-making. Natural language query, NLQ, allows any user, regardless of data skills, to flexibly explore and analyze terabytes of unaggregated enterprise data in plain English, democratizing exploration and analysis by making it as simple and intuitive as a Google search. Automated insights. Automated insights accelerate complex data analysis with AI-driven automation to identify the why behind the what and provide direction as to how to improve outcomes. By automating root cause analysis, analyzing key drivers, comparing cohorts, and identifying meaningful segments in data that go beyond first-order facts, machine learning modeling, AutoML, point-and-click, Code. Machine learning modeling is important for modern business decision making. Predictive analytics takes segments, relationships from automated insights to the next level by spotting future potential opportunities for improving outcomes. Decision intelligence versus business intelligence, BI. Decision intelligence differs from business intelligence, BI, in three key ways. First, BI is targeted for data consumers like business users, whereas decision intelligence is suited for both data consumers and analytics creators such as analysts and data experts. Second, BI is suited for descriptive analytics to answer which KPI or metric changed, whereas decision intelligence expedites identifying the what, the underlying why, and how to improve. Finally, BI lacks intelligent automation that decision intelligence does, such as NLQ, automated visualizations, automated insights, automated prep, AutoML, and proactive intelligence. Decision intelligence versus data science tools. Decision intelligence differs from data science tools, DSML, in three key ways. First, DSML, like manual analysis, is primarily in the purvey of analytics creators, typically advanced analytics creators like data scientists, whereas decision intelligence is suited for data consumers and analytics creators alike. Second, DSML is suited for predictive and prescriptive analytics to model the future and identify ways to improve outcomes, whereas decision intelligence expedites all forms of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Finally, DSML tools are growing more in their automation in the form of AutoML, but are still heavily manual like manual analysis and BI, whereas decision intelligence is marked by intelligent automation. Where should decision intelligence be used? Decisions range immensely in type: strategic, tactical, operational, degree of machine involvement, decision support, decision augmentation, decision automation, and speed, scale, and complexity: low, medium, high. Analytics BI is useful for decision support, i.e., 100% human-made decisions, for strategic and tactical matters of low speed, scale, complexity. Data science is useful for decision automation, i.e., 100% computer-made decisions, for tactical and operational matters of medium-high speed, scale, complexity. Decision intelligence is useful for decision augmentation for strategic, tactical, and operational matters at both low-high speeds, scale, and complexity. Its particular sweet spot revolves around decision augmentation, i.e., helping humans analyze millions of data points and see hidden connections that they otherwise would not have done, or serving up predictions in clusters that humans would not have otherwise seen. And with that, we conclude our journey into the world of decision intelligence, the evolution beyond AI. If our exploration into the realm of decision-making has sparked your interest, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up, share this insightful adventure with your fellow decision-makers, and subscribe to our channel for more illuminating content. What are your thoughts on the future of decision intelligence? Share your insights in the comments below. We value your perspective. Until our next exploration into the frontiers of intelligence, keep making informed decisions, stay innovative, and continue evolving. This is Innovation Explorers, signing off. See you in our next chapter of technological evolution.